How to log in to your Panera employee account. Hey everyone, welcome back to this new guide video of TechTube. If you are an employee of Panera trying to log into your account, then in this video let me show you the quick process of it. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's get right in. Search for Panera Employee Login on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, you can see the first result from Panera Bread. You can just click on this link which says Panera Bread, and it's going to straight take you to the sign in page. Now first of all, you need to type in the username that you created while signing up, and in the second box type in the password. You do not need to enter in separate details. You can enter in the same details as of your account of Panera network. If you don't remember the username or the password, you can click on the forgot username option or forgot password option to successfully recover either of these information. Once you type in both of these credentials, just click on login and you'll be successfully logged in to your Panera employee account. If this video did help you out, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily guide videos that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.